Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to withdraw money from Zleak app. It's simple and we'll cover all the important details including fees and identity verification. Let's dive in. First, open up the Zleak app and go to your profile. From there, click on account settings. Once you are on that page, you will see your account balance at the top. Right under it, you will find the cash out button. Tap on it. Now, before you can complete your cash out, you will need to verify your identity. This requires submitting a government-issued ID through Persona, Zleak's third-party verification partner. It's quick and secure. Before you cash out, keep in mind there's two fees. The first is a $2 processing fee and the second is a PayPal fee. The PayPal fee depends on the amount you are withdrawing and your location, so it may vary. Make sure to check before completing the transaction. And that's it. With just a few other steps, you can easily withdraw your balance from Zleak app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.